Hi. So moving forward, I have divided my tests into different classes as expected, and I have increased the coverage. Now the total number of test cases that we are running are 26 test cases. So earlier we were running 6, now we have 26 scenarios. So I'll walk through what are we doing in this complete test suite for this form testing. So first test that we are doing is so I've added this Java documentation also now. So the first thing that we are doing is we are submitting correct values in all the 3 browsers, and one test case for Internet Explorer, the layout issues is failing. Second, I have segregated rainy day scenarios which include null value test cases. Multiple radio select and invalid email. So these 3 test cases I have segregated in a separate class. Moving further, next up I have included special characters as part of the text fields. So I have added sufficient number of special characters, as you can see here, that close to all the special characters we are testing in for string related fields. So we are testing almost all the special characters as it can be seen here. Next up, so we are doing this for all the 3 browsers, Chrome, Firefox and Internet Explorer. Next up, we are checking the email related items. So basically we are checking error messages when we give an invalid email ID and when email and confirm email are different. So both of these test cases are failing right now. Next up, we are checking labels. So there are various labels on the form like name, form name, fields, right? Last name, job title, phone, email. So we are validating all of it. We are also validating radio button labels. Yes, no and maybe are the 3 values right now. So we are validating them. These tests are passing. Next up, we are doing boundary value analysis on the phone number field. So we are using 3 tests. Phone numbers are 20 digits. So since this is the maximum length described in the HTML code of the web page, so maximum length is 20. I'm testing it for 21. This one is failing. Web page is accepting more than 20 and it is submitting it. It should not ideally. So this test case would start passing once the validation is in place. Next test case is 19 digits. So this one is also going through. Moving ahead, I have a test case for broken links. There are around 31 links right now. Testing it for all the 3 browsers, i.e. Firefox, Chrome, and this one will find out all the broken and inaccessible links on the web page. Right now there are 13 inaccessible links out of 31. So this test case is failing right now since there are inaccessible links or URLs. Next up is the broken images. So this one will find out any images which are not available on the server. So right now there are in all 7 images, testing it for all the browsers, and all of the images are correct. So these test cases are passing. So this is the coverage that I have done. Let us quickly look into the TestNG report. So the broken images is working fine. There are no broken images. Special characters is working fine. They are getting submitted. Labels are working fine in all the 3 browsers. Email checks are failing. Confirm email, if different from email, is not giving an error. Also, email format is not being checked. Next up is the boundary value analysis related test. So these tests of 19 and 20 are passing. However, when we are exceeding the specified limit by passing phone number 21 digits long, it should ideally, give an error message. However, it is submitting, so the test case is failing. Rainy day scenarios are failing, all the three. Submit form scenarios, the bottom ones are the rainy day. IE form is failing due to layout issues, the very first issue. And the broken links are also failing, as we have 13 links broken out of 33 right now. So out of 26, 13 test cases are passing and 13 test cases are getting failed. Let us check a couple of more reports. So this is the TestNG report. Let us check emailable report. So this is the emailable report. This describes details of passed and failed test cases. So these are the details, and thank you.